Hey everyone, back with another card opening. And this one we're going to open up some Pokemon Evolution cards. This is the Braixen Blister Pack, as you can see there. So looks like we got two Charizard packs and a Venusaur pack. So let's start off with the first Charizard pack here. So it starts off here with a Fighting Energy. Then we have a Magikarp. We have an Onix, Sandshrew. We have a Vulpix. Trainer card, Energy Retrieval. Trainer card, Venusaur Spirit Link. We have a Charmeleon. Reverse Holo of a Dugtrio. And the last card here is a Dewgong. And that's the first pack. Going on to the second pack, this is the Venusaur pack. Starts off here with the Seal. We have Diglett, Poliwag, Sandshrew. We have a Voltorb. We have a Trainer Pidgeot Spirit Link. We have a Trainer Blastoise Spirit Link. Trainer Energy Retrieval. We have a Drowsy Reverse Holo. And the last card here is a Dugtrio non-holo. Alright, down to the last pack. Hoping we at least get one holo out of this pack. Starts off here with a Vulpix. Then we have a Nidoran. We have a Ponyta. We have a Pikachu. Poliwag. We have a trainer card, the Switch. We have a Metapod. We have trainer, Professor Oak's Hint. We have a trainer card, I guess it's the reverse holo spot, Misty's Determination. And the last card here is in there, Dewgong non-holo. So, pretty disappointing pack, no holos in this 3 blister pack opening. But thanks for watching anyways.